Hi, it's Jandy Audrey. It's dessert day in the 1 Minute Kitchen. Chocolate fluff is the right stuff for a fabulous dessert. Here's what you'll need: a 14-ounce package of Oreos, some milk and whipping cream, sugar, salt, and eggs, 1 packet of gelatin, and some vanilla. Add the gelatin and a cup of milk to a bowl. Stir and set aside. Separate 2 eggs, you'll just need the yolks. Then crush the Oreos into fine crumbs, and you can do that by putting them in a plastic bag and pounding them with a rolling pin, or you could use a mini prep or food processor. Then separate into 2 bowls. Add 2 tablespoons of melted butter to 1 bowl and mix. That's the bottom layer. You can use any cake pan like a deep dish tart pan for easy lift out, or you could make individual servings. Add the butter and crumb mixture to the pan and press down firmly. For the filling, prepare a double boiler. Add the milk and gelatin, sugar, egg yolks, salt, and vanilla. Whisk to combine and cook for about 8 minutes or until slightly thickened. While it's cooling, whip the heavy cream and then pour the cooled filling into the whipped cream, blending until smooth. Now pour the mixture over the cookie base and sprinkle with the rest of the crumbs. Refrigerate overnight and then slice and enjoy. Chocolate fluff is just good stuff. Have fun in the kitchen, 1 minute at a time. 1 Minute Kitchen proudly presented by these sponsors.